Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some English country style interior decor inspiration. Let's start the video. English country style interior decor is a warm, comfortable, traditional decorating style inspired by the countryside homes of England. It combines old-fashioned charm, natural materials, floral patterns, antiques, cozy fabrics, and a relaxed, lived-in feeling. Think of an English country cottage or a traditional countryside manor. A home that feels as though it has been loved and lived in for generations. The style is elegant but not formal, rustic but not rough, and traditional without feeling style. A beautiful English country room might have a comfortable floral sofa, an old wooden coffee table, a patterned rug, vintage lamps, framed botanical artwork, fresh flowers, and a cozy fireplace. English country wears Cottagecore, although they overlap. English country style is generally more traditional and refined, while Cottagecore tends to be more whimsical, handmade, nostalgic, and nature-focused. English country decor can easily combine both for a charming vintage countryside cottage look. English country style interior decor has many layers, and its charm comes from combining comfort, history, nature, and traditional craftsmanship. It doesn't have to look expensive or perfectly coordinated. In fact, a little imperfection often makes the room feel more authentic. A collected over time look. One of the most important ideas is that the home should feel collected rather than decorated all at once. Mix antique wooden furniture, vintage mirrors, old picture frames, second-hand ceramics, traditional lamps, family-style photographs, decorative boxes and baskets. The goal is to create a room with personality and history. Floral and botanical patterns. Floral prints are one of the most recognizable features. You can use them on curtains, armchairs, sofas, cushions, wallpaper, bedspreads, and tablecloths. For a traditional appearance, consider small roses, English garden flowers, botanical prints, and chintz patterns. Next, layered colors. English country interiors often avoid extremely bright, artificial looking colors. Instead, they use soft, muted, and earthy shades. Popular combinations include shades green, cream, and warm brown. Use dusty blue, beige, and white. Use soft pink with olive green and ivory. Use mustard yellow, deep green, and wood tones. Use terracotta, cream, and muted blue. A useful approach is to choose one main color and repeat it in curtains, cushions, artwork, and small accessories. Comfortable traditional furniture. Furniture should be beautiful but also practical and comfortable. Think about deep, comfortable sofas, wing-back chairs, wooden farmhouse tables, antique dressers, painted cabinets, Windsor-style chairs, and upholstered footstools. Furniture doesn't necessarily have to match perfectly. Mixing different wood tones and furniture styles can create a more authentic country house feeling. Cozy lighting. Lighting is very important because English country style is all about creating a warm atmosphere. Try table lamps with fabric shades, wall sconces, traditional candlelights, candlesticks, and lantern style lights. Avoid making the room feel too bright and clinical. Several small sources of warm light usually create more inviting environment than one strong overhead light. Use natural textures. Texture prevents the room from feeling flat. Consider linen curtains, old straws, cotton cushions, oven baskets, wooden furniture, stone surfaces, jute or traditional pattern rugs, and ceramic pottery. These materials add a sense of warmth and countryside simplicity. Bring nature indoors. The English countryside is an important inspiration. Decorate with fresh garden flowers, roses, lavender, potted herbs, botanical prints, landscape paintings, and jade flowers. A simple vase filled with seasonal flowers can instantly make a room feel more English country. Make it personal. English country style is not about creating a showroom. Personal items are welcome. Display your favorite books, travel souvenirs, old family style photographs, handmade crafts, collections of pottery, famous wines, and small decorative treasures. This creates the feeling of a home that is grown naturally over many years. Let's room by room ideas. First, living room. Use floral sofa, antique coffee table, patterned rugs, books, fireplace, window lamps, and comfortable cushions. Next, kitchen. Use wooden cabinets, open shelving, ceramic dishes, copper or brass details, floral curtains, and a farmhouse style table. Next, bedroom. Use floral wallpaper, antique bedside table, soft quilts, embroidered cushions, and layered bedding. Next, dining room. Use a large wooden table, traditional chairs, vintage china, a centerpiece of flowers, and an old cabinet or dresser. Entryway. Use a wooden console table, antique mirror, umbrella stand, runner rug, and a vase of flowers. The secret to the style, the most important principle is comfortable elegance. English country decor can be sophisticated, but it should never feel too precious to live in. The old house feeling. A classic English country home often looks as though it has evolved naturally over many years. Instead of buying everything from one collection, combine different features. For example, an old wooden cabinet beside a new sofa, a vintage mirror above a modern console, antique dishes displayed with everyday pottery, a traditional rug layered over a simple floor, new cushions mixed with inherited looking textiles. This creates a timeless and authentic atmosphere. Use tints and floral fabrics. One of the most recognizable elements of traditional English country decorating is tints. Decorative cotton fabrics, often featuring colorful floral patterns. You don't need to cover everything in flowers. Try using floral patterns in small doses. Use on floral armchair, curtains with a garden print, a floral cushion collections, a botanical wallpaper accent wall, and a floral bedspread. For a more relaxed look, combine floral fabrics with plain linen, cotton, stripes, and checks. Use stripes, checks, and plaits. English country interiors are not only about flowers. Stripes and checks add balance. You can combine floral and gingham, floral plus ticking stripe, botanical print and plaid, small checks and solid linen. The trick is to keep the colors related so the pattern will coordinated without looking too messed. The importance of wood. Wood gives English country interiors their warmth and character. Popular choices include dark traditional wood, aged oak, painted wood, distressed furniture, and reclaimed wood. A beautiful combination is firm wood furniture with soft cream walls and muted green or blue textiles. Art and wall decoration. Walls are often decorated with collections rather than on large modern artwork. Consider botanical illustrations, English countryside landscapes, portrait paintings, still life artwork, vintage botanical prints, decorative letters, antique style mirrors, a small framed picture arranged together. A gallery wall can look especially charming when frames have slightly different shapes and finishes. Fireplaces and cozy focal points. If a home has a fireplace, it can become the heart of the room. Traditional English country fireplaces are often decorated with a large mirror, candlesticks, ceramic vases, flowers, a small framed artwork, and a clock. Even without a working fireplace, you can create a similar focal point using a console table, antique cabinet, and wooden hut. The traditional English tea and dining atmosphere. The dining area can be a wonderful place to express this style. Try a wooden dining table, mismatched traditional chairs, floral or checked table linens, vintage china, ceramic pitchers, fresh flowers, brass or silver candlesticks. Open shelves or a traditional hut can be used to display beautiful platters, teacups, bowls, and serving pitchers. English conscious stores. Stores can also become decoration. Instead of filling everything, display beautiful everyday objects. Use wicker baskets, ceramic jars, wooden boxes, winter suitcases, open shelves, glass front cabinets, and traditional hatches. This works particularly well in kitchens, dining rooms, and entryways. English country cottage was manor house. There are different levels of English country style. English country cottage tends to be smaller and cozier, more rustic, more casual, filled with handmade items, soft and charming. Traditional English country house tends to be more formal, more elegant, richer in color, more likely to feature antiques, more layered with traditional furniture and artwork. Both share the same love of comfort, pattern, nature, and history. Don't make everything perfect. A major part of the charm is controlled imperfection. A slightly old wooden table, an old frame, or a vintage ceramic pit can make the space feel more authentic. The room should look like people actually live there, not like a furniture showroom. A simple English country decorating formula. If you want to create this style at home, start with choose a soft, natural wall color. Add one or two traditional wooden furniture pieces. Introduce a floral or botanical pattern. Add stripes or checks for contrast. Layer rugs and soft textiles. Display vintage or antique style accessories. Bring in fresh flowers or greenery. Use warm, gentle lighting. Add books and personal collections. Leave some imperfections for a relaxed, lived-in feeling. The result should feel like a peaceful countryside home, filled with stories, flowers, books, treasured objects, and comfortable furniture. Elegant enough to be beautiful, but relaxed enough to feel like home. Inspiration from the English countryside. The style is inspired by the homes and landscapes of rural England. Imagine a cottage surrounded by roses, an old farmhouse with a stone fireplace, a traditional country manor, a garden filled with seasonal flowers, a cozy room overlooking green fields. This connection to nature explains why flowers, botanical prints, wood, stone, and natural fabrics are so important. The cottage garden influence. English gardens have a strong influence on interiors. You can bring this feeling indoors with rose patterned fabrics, botanical artwork, fresh garden flowers, floral wallpaper, lavender, ivy, or trailing greenery, ceramic flower vases, and use nature inspired colors. A room does not have to be covered in flowers. Even a simple bouquet of garden style flowers in an old ceramic pitcher can create the right atmosphere. Furniture does not need to match. One of the best things about English country style is that furniture can be mixed and matched. For example, a room might contain an antique wooden table, a traditional upholstered sofa, a painted cabinet, a vintage armchair, a wicker basket, a modern lamp. The pieces don't have to come from the same furniture set. The goal is to make them feel connected through color, material, or age. Books are part of the decoration. Books are an important part of the English country atmosphere. Try displaying books on open shelves, in a glass front cabinet, on a coffee table, beside an armchair on a vintage wooden desk. You can combine books with small objects such as candlesticks, vases, framed photographs, or small plants. This creates the feeling of a home that is lived in and intellectually curious. The English country kitchen. The kitchen is often one of the most charming rooms in this style. Consider wooden cabinets, cream or muted cream cabinetry, when shelving, traditional ceramic dishes, copper or brass details, vintage kitchen containers, floral curtains, a farmhouse table, wicker baskets, a traditional dresser or hut. Instead of filling every beautiful atom, display your favorite platters, teacups, bowls, and pottery. At its heart, English country decor is about creating a home rather than a perfect interior. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.